Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert ads into your YouTube video. So this is my channel, I logged in, and then I am dashboard. So you click on the videos here from YouTube New Studio. Now no classic anymore, so click on videos and then choose the video which you want to insert ads. For example, this one, you just here, details. All right, this is the information of the video, and then go here, left hand side, scroll down to monetization. All right, make sure video monetization on. Display ads, overlay ads, all ticked. And then during video, and then after video, then click on place manually to insert ads manually. Click, and now you can place ads, insert ads manually. So how you do? So for example, put here, I chose to put in minutes, for example 4 in minutes 4:38. Just go like that, click, and then go up to the video, add break, plus add break, click, and the ad is being inserted but still not saved. This is 10 minutes video. I will insert 2 ads. The second ads I will insert in minutes 9.9 to 20 seconds or 19 seconds. Just click on this. All right, and then go up and add the ad, insert the ad. So now 2 ads has been inserted, as you can see here and there. Now you just click on continue. All right, now save. So it's being saved. You can double check on monetization on this video. The ad being inserted manually successfully. And if you want to cancel this ad in this minute or any minute, just go up and you can click delete the first ad or second ad or any ad. You can click on the bin logo to delete, and then continue, save. That's how to insert ads on YouTube New Studio 2020. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Bye.